teacher knows best where his students make mistakes and compromise on their marks and chances. So let's start with our new series, Common Mistakes Made by Students in IPMAT Exam. To get more such guidance, you can visit our website and join our pre-recorded, live or classroom courses.
Hello students, welcome to Myprepway's Conceptual Mathematical Learning series. And in this video, we'll talk about a concept of statistics, right? That's called mean. So I want you to know that the formula for calculation of the mean is sigma xi divided by sigma fi, right? Now, because we have been taught the formula like this, we have been made to just learn and mug up the formula throughout our schools. So that's why we don't know the application of this, and we are not able to connect this formula with the practical learning. So this is nothing. Mean is simply the average of the data. Okay. Some of you may think that mean is something else. No, it is simply the average of the data given, right? And if you are an expert in calculating the average of something, if you have studied the concepts of average thoroughly, so then you will be definitely able to calculate mean of any data, right? For example, if I take a data, suppose I take 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50. I've taken this data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me take one more, 60. Okay, so I've taken this data and I want to calculate the mean of this, right? The table that we form, that authors give, the table that the authors give to calculate the mean is something like frequency and value. Okay, frequency we take fi and value we take xi. I want you all to connect this formula with the simple average. You know how to calculate the average of this, right? I hope you know. Okay, so the same data can be represented in a chart, in a table, in this format. So the frequency 2, the value is 10. Frequency 3, the value is 20. The frequency 1, value is 30. Frequency 1, value is 40. Frequency 2, value is 50. Frequency 1, value is 60. So frequency is nothing. It's just the number of appearance of the data. Like we have 2 times 10, we have 3 times 20, we have 1 time 30, we have 1 time 40, we have 2 times 50, and we have 1 time 60 in this data, right? Now, how do you calculate the simple average? If I want to calculate the average of all of this, I'll simply add and divide it by total number, right? In this case, you can do 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 50 plus 60 divided by 10. This is all you have to do in this, right? And while calculating it through the formula also, you have to do the same thing, right? You do the sigma fi xi. So you calculate the fi xi, the multiplication of frequency and this. So the value. So you do 2 into 10. That's the first sigma fi. That's the first fi into xi. Plus then you do 3 into 20. Then you do 1 into 30. Then you do 1 into 40. That's what you do in these stats. I hope you remember this. Then you do 2 into 50. And then you do 1 into 60. Okay. And then you divide it by sigma fi. That is the sum of all the frequencies. So that is 10. So as you can see, this is same, exact same. 2 times 10, 3 times 20, then 1 time 30, 1 time 40, 2 times 50, and 1 time 60. So you don't have to, have the fear of this formula. This is nothing. This is a very simple concept. When we have so many values, you just have to add multiple values, the number of times they have occurred, and then you need to just divide it by the total values, total number of values. That's it. So you need to relate this formula with this so that you find this formula easy. Okay. So I hope this has brought some learning to you. And for more such videos and concepts, you can follow our classes, follow our courses, live courses, recorded courses, and physical courses as well. Thank you.
Head over to our website and join Myprepway's pre-recorded or live course to watch the full lectures. Use coupon code MYPREP09 to get 500 off on all our courses.